Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Windows 11 update error, that is 0x80096004. So if you are receiving this error, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to use Windows 11 installation assistant. Open this link in a browser. The link is provided in the video descriptions. Over here it will take you to Microsoft website. Over here you can see Windows 11 installation assistant. Click on download now and run this exe file. Click on yes to allow. Now, if you find any update, or if you see install option or update option, you can install it from here and then check. In my case, it's already up to date. Now, still not working. The next step is to run these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. Type in CMD in Windows search box. Make a right click in command prompt tab. Make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator. Click on yes to allow. Now, copy the first command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. Now, this will take some time. It will run a scan. Once the scan is 100% complete, copy the second command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the second scan is 100% complete, then copy the third command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the third scan is 100% complete over here, then restart your computer. And after the system restart, you can check. Still not working. The next step is to start these services. Now for this, type in services in Windows search box. Click on services. Find app readiness, make a double click, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted. Click on OK, make a right click on app readiness, click on restart. Now find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK, make a right click and then click on restart. Find Windows Update. Somewhere at the bottom you will see Windows Update. Make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK. Make a right click on Windows Update, then click on restart. Once done, you can go back to Windows Update, and then if you see retry option, you can hit retry and then check. Still not working, you can go to Windows Update. Over here you can see pause update option, hit pause over here. Once it is paused, now you can click on resume updates and then you can check. Still not working, you can use Microsoft Update Catalog. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Over here you can write down the name of the update. So whichever update you are unable to install, for example, if you are unable to install, you can write down the name of that update over here. Whichever update is giving you the error message, type in the update name over here and then click on search. Now check your Windows version. So type in WINVER in Windows search box, click on WinVer run command. In my case, the version is version 25H2. Now check your system type. So go to system, go to about option. Over here, check your system type. For me, the system type is 64-bit operating system. So for me, it's Windows 11 version 25H2 x64 based system. If you have Windows 11, like Windows 11 version 24H2 Windows 11 version 24H2 x64, then this is the right one for you. For me, this is the right one, Windows 11 version 25H2 x64. Now click on download. Now over here you will see that particular update. In my case right now, the KB 5079391. Whichever update is giving you the error message, you will see that update. Click on that update and let the download complete. Once the download is complete, you can click on this file and install this update manually and then restart your computer and then check. Still not working. The last step is to use media creation tool. You can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. On this website here you can see media creation tool. Click on download now and then you can run this exe file. Run this exe file and then click on accept over here. By default Windows 11 will be selected. Click on next. Select ISO file over here and then click on next. You can save it to desktop. Click on save. Let the download complete. Once done, click on finish option. Let this close automatically. Go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file. Make a double click on setup file. Click on yes to allow. Click on next. Click on accept. And here you can see ready to install. By default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. So make sure this is checked. Hit install. After the installation, you can log into the computer and then you can update your Windows 11. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to update your Windows successfully, and you should not receive this error code anymore. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.